Hello students, welcome to AK Virtual Math. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the factors, common factors and highest common factor HCF. So let's see first what does mean by factors or what are the factors. So factors means factors of any given number means the number which can divide the given number. That is what the factors. Or in another word we can say the number which comes in the given numbers table, that are the factors of the given number. So let's see one example first. So let's take a number that is 18. So what are the factors of 18? So we'll see what are the numbers that can divide 18, or in another word we can say what are the tables in which 18 comes. So we'll see here 18 comes in one table. 18 times 1 is 18. So that is 1 can divide 18 and 18 itself can divide 18. Next, it comes in two table also. So 9 times 2 is 18. So 2 can divide 18 and 9 can also divide 18. So 2 and 9 are also the factors of 18. Next, 18 comes in 3 table also. So 6 times 3 is 18. So 3 and 6 also are the factors of 18. Now 4, 18 comes in 4 table. No. So 4 is not a factor of 18. Is 18 comes in 5 table, or 5 can divide 18? No. 5 cannot fully divide 18, or 18 doesn't come in 5 table, so 5 is not the factor. So 4, 5 are not the factors. 6 is there, so 6 we have written here. We have to just check between these two numbers. So here it's 3 we already got, 6 we already got, so what is left in between? We have 4 and 5. So we have to just check for 4 and 5, and these 4 and 5 are not the factors because 18 doesn't come in 4 and 5 table. So we got all the factors, so we have to stop checking here. We got all these factors, so let's write it here. So how do we write? We have one symbolic form like F18. So what does it mean? It means factors of 18. So what are the factors of 18? We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are what the factors of 18. These are the numbers that can divide 18, or 18 can be divided by all these numbers. So these are the factors of 18. Let's take another example. So we can take 36. So let's see what are the numbers that can divide 36 fully. So that numbers will be the factors of 36. In another way we can say this 36 comes in what tables. So let's say this 36 comes in one table. 36 times 1 is 36. It comes in two table also. 18 times 2 is 36. It comes in 3 table also. 12 times 3 is 36. It comes in 4 table. That is 9 times 4 is 36. It comes in 5 table? No, it doesn't come in 5 table. It comes in 6 table? Yes, it comes in 6 table. So we'll be getting 6 times 6 is 36. So these are the factors of 36. So let's write it here. What we can write here, see 1 is there, like this will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. Now let's take another example. Let's take 15. So what are the factors of 15? So we'll see in which tables 15 comes. So it comes in one table. 1 times 15 is 15. It doesn't come in 2 table. It comes in 3 table. 5 times 3 is 15. So in between these two numbers 3 and 5 we have what? 4, only one number, and 4 is not the factor of 15 because 15 doesn't come in 4 table, or 4 cannot divide 15 fully, leaving remainder 0. So we have to stop it. So these 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. So see, it has only 4 factors. Similarly, if I want to take another example, let's take 12. So what are the factors of 12? So again, we have to see what are the numbers that can divide 12. So you can write like this, as we had done all these. 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12. So now there is no any other number between 3 and 4. So we'll stop it here. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, so these are the factors of 12. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's take 48. So what are the factors of 48? F48. So again, we have to see this 48 comes in which tables. So what are the numbers that can divide 48 fully? So that will be the factor of 48. So it comes in one table, 1 can divide 48. 1 is the factor of every number. So it is omnipresent. So 1 times 48 is 48. 2 times 24 is 48. 3 times 16 is 48. Then 4 times 12 is 48. Then 5, no, 5 cannot divide 48. 6, yes. So 6 is the factor of 48 because 48 comes in 6 table. 6 times 8 is 48. Now in between there is only one number, 7, and 7 is not the factor of 48 because 48 doesn't come in 7. So we have to stop it, checking other numbers, other tables. Okay, so the factor of 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. These are what the factors of 48. And if I have any prime number, like let's take 13. So what are the factors of 13? You will see that this 13 doesn't comes in any table except 1 and 13. So it is just like 1 times 13 is equal to 13. So there is no any other number in between 1 and 13 which can divide 13. Or in other way, we can say there is no any other table except 1 and 13 in which 13 comes. So factor of 13 is 1 and 13 itself. Okay, so see, we had seen here the factor of many numbers here. What do you noticed here? If you'll see the number of factors, somewhere it is only 2 factors, somewhere there are so many factors, somewhere less number of factors. But one thing that I had noticed here, if you have any square number like this 36, so the total number of factors of 36, you will see it will be odd number. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is an odd number. And other number, if you'll see, those are not a square number, then you will get the even numbers of factors. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is total number of factors of 18 is an even number. Total number of factors of 15 is also an even number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of factors of 12 is also even number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you have any square number like 16, then also you will see the total number of factor, you will get the odd number. Like if we take 16, so total number of factors of 16 is what? It is 1, 2, and then 4, then 8, and then 16 itself. These will be the factors of 16. So if you count it, 1 2 3 4 5, so total number of factors are 5, which is odd number. So this is one thing that you can remember, that the total number of factors of square number is odd and total number of factors of other numbers are even. Okay, now next thing what we'll see the common factors. So let's see what does mean by the common factor. It's very simple. Like if you want to find out common factors of any two numbers, like let's take this 18 and 36. So what are the common factors of 18 and 36? In short, we'll write like this: CF, that is what the common factor between 18 and 36. So we'll just see what are common factors of 18 and 36. So you'll see here this 1 and 1 is common here. So 1 is common. If you'll see, this 2 is also common in both. So 2 is the common factor. Then 3 is also common. You can see here 3 and 3. So 3 is also common. What else? Is there anything else common? 6 is common. Yes. 6 you can see here and here also. So 6 is common. Is there anything else? Yes. 9 is common. Then what else? 18 is also common. You can see 18 is here, 18 is here. So 18 is also common. So these are what the common factors of 18 and 36. Similarly, if we'll see the common factor of any other number, let's take these 15 and 12. So common factor of 15 and 12. So what are the common factors? You have to just collect all the commons in 15 and 12. So this is 1 is common. Then this 2 is not common. 3 is common. You can see this 3 is here, 3 is here also. So 3 is common. What else? 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 12, 15, no. So only 2 common factors are there between 15 and 12. So this is what the common factor. This is how we can find out common factor between 2 or more than 2 also. If I want to find out common factor of 16 and 18 and 36. So we have taken 3 things here, 3 numbers. So this is 16, 18 and 36. So we have to choose common in this 18, this is 36 and this is 16. So if you want to find out common factor, first you have to list all the factors of all the given number. Then you have to choose the common factor. So what are the common factors here? It is, you will see 1, then 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. So 2 is common in all 3. Then 4, 3 is here, 3 is here, but 3 is not here. So 3 is not in 16. So 3 is not common in all 3. Then 4 is not common because 4 is in 16, it is in 36, but it is not in 18. So 4 is not common. What else? Is there anything else common? 8, no. 16, no. So these are the only common factors, 1 and 2. So like this we can find out the common factors between 2 or more than 2 numbers. Okay. Now if I want to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF, highest common factor. So what does mean by the highest common factor, HCF? So HCF means we have to see which is the highest or largest number or largest factor that is common in both. That will be the highest common factor. Or in another word, we can say the greatest number that can divide the given numbers, that will be the highest common factor of the given number. So sometimes it is also called greatest common divisor, which is denoted at GCD. And other term is also used for HCF, that is the greatest common factor also. That is what? Greatest common factor. That is GCF. So these are what the terms that is used for HCF, highest common factor, greatest common divisor, or greatest common factor. So how we can find out HCF, GCD or GCF? So let's see. So let's take one example. I want to find out HCF, that is highest common factor of 15 and 18. So what are the highest common? We had seen how to find out common factors. Now from that we have to find out the highest common factor. So let's first write what are the common factors of 15 and 18. So 15 is here, 18 is here. So what is common? 1 is common, then 3 is common, then nothing else. So 1 and 3 are the common factors. Among these common factor, which one is the largest common? So it is 3. So we can say the highest common factor of 15 and 18 is 3. So we have to just see the which one is the highest in the common factor. That will be the highest common factor. So whether it is HCF, that is highest common factor, or it is greatest common factor GCF, or it is greatest common divisor GCD. So all are the same. So we can say either HCF of 15 or 18 is 3, or greatest common factor GCF of 15 and 18 is 3, or we can say GCD, greatest common divisor of 15 and 18 is also 3. Okay, so let's take another example. Suppose HCF of, let's take 3 numbers. So highest common factors of 3 numbers. So which one we'll take here? Let's take here 18, 12 and 48. So what are the highest common factors of 18, 12 and 48? So now we'll see the factors of 12, 18 and 48. So factors of 12 are these, are the factors of 12. Factors of 18, here these are the factors of 18. Factors of 48, these are the factors of 48. So we have to see the common. So see, this 1 is common, 1 is common. Then what we have common? 2 is common here. Then what is common? 3 is common. Then what is common? 4 is not common because 4 is not present in 18. Then 6 is common. Then what else? 9 is not common. 12 is common. No, 12 is common in only 12 and 48. It is not present in 18. So these are what the common factors. If I write here common factors, so it is 1, just only common factor. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Among these all, which one is the largest number? So it is 6 here. So the highest common factor will be 6 here. So either we can say highest common factor of 18, 12 and 48 is 6, or we can say GCF, greatest common factor of 18, 12 and 48 is 6, or we can say greatest common divisor of 18, 12, 48 is 6. So these are what the highest common factors of these 3 numbers. So this is how we can find out highest common factor or greatest common factor or greatest common divisor of 2 or more than 2 numbers. But here see, in these all examples I have taken the small numbers, like all the numbers are less than 100 or less than 50. We can say these are the small numbers, so we can easily find out the factors, or we can easily find out in which table all these numbers comes. So we can easily list the factors of all these small number. But if these numbers are large number like 352, 256, 431, something like this, if I have numbers, then how we can find out all the factors in this way, and then how we can find out HCF or GCF or GCD with this method. It will be very lengthy process. By using these method, we cannot easily find out the highest common factor HCF or GCF or GCD of the large number. So for that we have another technique, another method, that is called the prime factors method. So that we'll discuss in next video, how to find out the highest common factor of the large number by using the prime factors method. Okay, so if you have any doubt in these methods, so you can write in the comment. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.